Start from where you are now. Do with what you have and employ yourself on what you can. So, my dear children, with these motivational lines, I would like to welcome you all back. I hope you all are safe and secure at your home and utilizing this time in your studies. Today, we will start chapter number 3, and the chapter name is Distributive Adjective. Now, children, I request you all to open your grammar books because during explanation, it will become easy for you all to understand the topic nicely. Before starting this chapter, we should know something about adjective. An adjective is a word which describes a noun or pronoun. Or adjective is the word which is used to modify a noun or pronoun. So children, describing words describes a noun. We call these words adjectives. Adjectives tells us the size, shape, color, taste, smell, number, quantity and so on of a noun. For examples, tall, short, green, blue, big, small, some, many, 5, 10, fat, thin, thick, etc. So these are the adjectives. Now children, there are different kinds of adjective and distributive adjective is one of them. Now here Vicky, Sid, Aisha and Sneha are excited about the group discussion in their class. Their class teacher has instructed them to sit in pairs and get ready for the discussion. She tells them that each group will get 2 minutes and they have to ask their partners about each other's family members. After the discussion, teacher notes down the sentences and highlights certain words on the blackboard. She tells the class that she conducted this exercise to teach them about distributive adjective. The class is very happy to learn something new. Now let us learn about distributive adjective. A distributive adjective is an adjective that is generally used to distribute a particular group as an individual and is used with a singular noun respectively. So children, an adjective that qualifies members of a group separately instead of collectively is known as distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives are usually used with singular nouns, as I have already told you before. For example, each girl wore a hat. Here each is a distributive adjective. Each, either and neither can be used with plural nouns followed by of. Example, each of the girls wore a hat. Children, each, every, either, neither are distributive adjective. Let us now learn about each of the distributive adjectives in detail with example. Each student has a brother or sister. Here each is a distributive adjective. The adjective each is used when we are talking about the members of a group as individual. Or children, we can say that each is used to show that a single condition is applied to everyone in a group. Here each denotes that each one of them has a brother or a sister. Every student stays with an elder. Here every is a distributive adjective. The adjective every is similar to the word all. It is usually used while considering people or things together. Children, we can say that every is used to refer to each member of a group, although all the members of the group are considered without exception. One more thing, that each and every can be used interchangeably. Here every denotes that all students stay with an elder. Either student stays with parents or grandparents. Either is a distributive adjective. The adjective either is used to explain distribution between two things. Either is used in an affirmative context. So children, either is used to refer to one or the other between two options. Here either denotes that some students stay with parents and the others stay with grandparents. Neither student stays alone. Here neither is a distributive adjective. The adjective neither is used to talk about distribution between two things. Neither is used in a negative context. Or children, we can also say that neither means that none of the options listed can be considered. Here neither is used to denote that none of the students stay alone. Here are some more examples of each, every, either and neither. Each boy in this class has a book. Every citizen should love his motherland. Either of the two is an engineer. Neither of them is a doctor. It means none of them. So children, that's all. I hope you all have understood this chapter nicely. Revise it from your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.